Because one day siguro mapopost ko, nung nagsiswim pa ako, go-to talaga namin yung mga sunblock. Need yan talaga.
Yes.
So,
lalo nung nag-lucky tayo before, di ba Kuya? Grabe talaga yung... Nakita ko paano mag-sunblock si Kuya Enchong, pero pala para lagi kang fresh.
oo. Tsaka dapat kahit nagsa-sunblock ka, kahit inaalagaan natin yung sarili natin, huwag nating hayaan magpaskin, pawisan yung likod natin, or maging malagkit, di ba? There's always a solution. For any problem that we have right now, there is a solution. And we're so happy because Livia is giving us quality products. So thank you very much for hanging out with us, guys. And we'll see you in the new booth later.
Kaya magkakilala na sila.
Thank you to Enchong, Francine, and Lydia for showing us how to flex that summer-ready pose.
Thank you!
Feeling